You must have heard that you can't eat like you used to when you were younger because now it's harder to lose weight. आपने सुना होगा कि with age it's difficult, weight lose करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है, and as you get older the weight really gets stuck to you. Hello and assalamu alaikum to everyone who's part of Eat Mostly Greens family. आज की वीडियो एक बहुत मुश्किल वीडियो है मेरे लिए because मैंने ये काफ़ी दफ़ा रिकॉर्ड की थी मगर something happened and so today I'm going to talk about metabolism. किसी ने मेरे से पूछा था कि क्या with age metabolism आपका slow down होता है? क्या ये सच है that with age it's harder to lose weight? Today we're going to talk about all of this and then we will also talk about ways that you can help yourself and increase your metabolism. So by now you probably know that yes, with age आपका metabolism slow down होता है. It is harder to lose weight. जितना आपका metabolism slow होगा, उतना slow आपकी digestion, आपकी absorption, आपकी body की processes होंगे. And the slower all of this is, the harder it will be to lose weight. That is why when you're younger, your metabolism is faster. It's easier to drop weight. आपको खाना इतना ज़्यादा लगता नहीं है. So today let's first talk about reasons why ये क्यों होता है कि विद एज आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो होने लगता है. पहली चीज़ जो रिसर्च ने शो की है वो ये है दैट विद एज लोगों की मूवमेंट कम होने लगती है. ना सिर्फ वो एक्सरसाइज कम करते हैं पर उनकी जो नीट है द नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी थर्मोजेनेसिस वो भी कम होने लगती है. मतलब उनकी रेगुलर मूवमेंट दिन की लाइक वॉशिंग डिशेस और वॉकिंग टू द कार, ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ उनकी कम होने लगती हैं. एंड विद लेस एक्टिविटीज़ that means that your metabolism is also going to slow down because you're not burning as many calories as you do through exercise. And you know, these are a good amount of calories that you can burn just by exercise or by movement. Around 10 to 30% of your calories are burned through exercise and NEAT, right? और कुछ लोगों के लिए तो it's up to 50% जो athletes होते हैं. So there's a lot of calories that you can burn just by exercise and movement. The second reason why people's metabolism slows down with age is that they lose muscle mass. And this was so surprising to me to find out that after the age of 30, every decade, so every 10 years, people lose about 3 to 8% of their muscle mass. And can you imagine how much this is? Muscle really is important for metabolism. You know, often when you're working out with a guy or you're trying to lose weight with a friend who's a male or your spouse or someone, and you guys are doing the same exercises, the same activity, the same food intake, but they're losing more weight than you are, that's because males have a higher muscle mass. अगर आपका with age muscle mass कम होता जा रहा है, आपका metabolism भी कम होगा. And the third reason why your metabolism slows down with age is because आपके metabolic processes, जो आपके internal cellular processes हैं, वो सारे slow down होने लगते हैं. Especially the two that are related to your sodium potassium pump and also your mitochondria, which are responsible for energy. All of these processes slow down. And because of them slowing down, automatically your overall metabolism also slows down. In fact, research has shown that when you compare older adults to younger adults, it is found that older adults have 20% fewer mitochondria. Additionally, their mitochondria were nearly 50% less efficient at using oxygen to create energy. So now you can see कि इतनी ज़्यादा वजूहात हैं कि with age आपका metabolism slow होने लगता है. Now I don't want you to get sad, right? I know that it gets frustrating. You know you can't stop your age. You know that you're gonna age. You know that आप with age आपका metabolism भी slow होने लगेगा, weight lose करना मुश्किल होगा, खाना लगेगा आपको जाके. तो आप क्या करें? What can you do? You can't stop aging. But there are a few things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is that you can incorporate some exercise. Now it's recommended कि आप 150 minutes of exercise करें per week. और आप इसको, you can break it down into 30 minutes of 5 times a week, however you like it. लेकिन making sure कि आप exercise incorporate करें, because remember the first reason why people's metabolism slows down with age is because their exercise or their activity goes down. So incorporating exercise into your routine is a very good way to start. And in this exercise, you want to incorporate HIIT training, so high intensity interval training, making sure कि आपका heart rate increase हो, आप थोड़ा सा sweat करें, so that it helps you with your metabolism, and then also making sure that you're doing some strength training, because remember we want to target increased muscle mass. Increased muscle mass कैसे होगा? When you're going to incorporate some strength training into your exercise routine. The third thing you can do is get plenty of sleep. Now, sleep is directly correlated to your metabolism as well. So making sure that you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep at night. And by good quality, I mean like good quality REM sleep, not just that sleep where you know everything that's going on. So making sure that you're getting adequate hours of sleep in will help you with your metabolism as well. And I've seen so many people lose weight better, greater, and with so much more energy when they're getting adequate sleep. Last thing you can do is eat more protein. Now with age, especially for women, हमारी requirements for protein increase होने लगती हैं, especially post-menopausal women, because your chances of osteoporosis, bone breakage, hip fractures, they increase, and therefore आपकी protein requirement भी ज़्यादा होने लगती है. In fact, post-menopausal women need 1.2 grams per kg of protein. So that means per kg of body weight. So making sure that आपकी protein जो है वो आप नाश्ते में especially लें. नाश्ते में इसलिए because studies have shown जब आप नाश्ते में खाते हैं protein तो throughout आपके blood sugar levels throughout the day stable रहते हैं. आपको वो जो एक often people say that I felt hypoglycemic, I needed something, I immediately needed something. So starting your day with lean protein, so your eggs, your chicken, your cheese, your yogurt, things like that to begin your day. So I hope कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल थी. अगर आप इनमें से कोई पॉइंट्स आपको अच्छे लगे तो mention them in the comments below. I would love to know कि इनमें से which points will you incorporate in your diet, in your routine, in your lifestyle. If you have some hacks or some ways or some diet tips that will help us with metabolism, with age, so do leave them in the comments below. I'm sure they're going to benefit all of us. Take care and keep eating mostly greens.